So next is density. Density is a measure of mass of a mineral per unit volume, and it is a useful diagnostic tool in some cases. Most common minerals such as quartz, feldspar, calcite, mica have what we call average density, 2.623 gram per cubic centimeter, and it would be difficult to tell them apart on the basis of their density. On the other hand, many of the metallic minerals such as pyrite, hematite, and magnetite have densities over 5 gram per centimeter cube. They can be easily distinguished from the lighter minerals on the basis of density, but not necessarily from each other. So the limitation of using density as a diagnostic tool is one cannot assess it in minerals that are small part of rock that is mostly made up of other minerals. So density भी important होती है उस पर्टिकुलर मिनरल की अगर मालूम हो, जैसे कि क्वार्ट्ज जो कॉमनली यूज होते हैं रॉक्स, उनका तो आपको पता होता है कि क्या इनकी डेंसिटी है, बाकी जो है फिर उसको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है।